and thank you for purchasing a Nextron product filter. Today I'll demonstrate how to install your Nextron product filter. First, we're going to open up the box, take out your filter. There's an air enters this side sticker. You need to remove that. Now we're going to take out the other filter, the purifier. Set that aside. And now with the Nextron Products filter, you have the front. This is going to face the outside, and this is the X that goes on the inside, and that will face the inside of the filter, or purifier, I'm sorry. And you close it, and now it's installed. And now you're done. It's that easy. Hi and welcome back. It's been 3 months. Let's replace your Nextron pre-filter. First, we're going to open up your purifier and remove this disgusting filter. You can see how gross that really is. 3 months worth. Disgusting. And the easiest way to remove this pre-filter instead of pulling on the sides, which it gets stuck, is just by cutting right down the middle. And peeling it right off, and you can just throw that right away. That's just garbage. Now, get out your new pre-filter, nice and fresh and new, and you center it on there. I've got dust on there. Center it right on your filter, just like that, and it hangs a little over the edge, and that's okay. And you just push it down with your fingers along the edge. You can do it like that. I like to turn it up on the side and just give it a good little push just to make sure it's secure. It really adheres very nicely. And do that on both sides. There's the front, and that is your back. The X side will go inside of your filter, inside of your purifier. So you just fit that right inside, and now it's installed. And close the door. Now you can enjoy the fresh air with your new Nextron filter. Thank you.